Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're going to take a look at Sawgrass Grove, the area of Newell, and we are going to look at Eastport and a couple other areas here all around the turnpike, all around St. Catherine. This is Sawgrass Grove. I got a little feedback last time because I accidentally said flea market. I apologize. This is an indoor market. It's going to have retail and stores like that. You can go on the village's website and actually see what they're planning on putting in there. But it's going to be an indoor market for retail and things like that. This is also where McGrady's is, and actually as we spin around here you can see they're working on the area where the live entertainment will be. Live entertainment, this is the boxcar right here where the live entertainment and the stage is going to be, and then right where the canopies, they don't have the canopies up yet, but you can see since the last video they have gotten quite a bit up that they didn't have out last time. And there's a couple other things there that they didn't have last time. I don't think the water tower was there, that little water tower, last time I did a video. Flying right now over McGrady's Pub. McGrady's Pub is open. I'm not sure when the market is going to be open, but should be soon, and I would assume with the canopies going up that the live entertainment will probably be happening within the next couple months or so. Probably once the temperature starts dropping, I would think that they're going to get some people out there. This area is in the Azell Rec Center area, with the just north of the turnpike between St. Catherine, Citrus Grove, and Case and Hammock. And then as we spin, we're on the north side of this now, looking south over the golf course. This is a championship golf course. It looks really fantastic. It's the Southern Oaks Championship Golf Course. That road there leads, it's Bexley Trail I believe is the name. It leads all the way across the Southern Oaks Bridge, or what will be the Southern Oaks Bridge. We're going to take a look at it. I wanted to show you guys the golf course in golden hour because the colors look phenomenal at this time of night. And golden hour is the last hour of the night, so golf course is looking good, much better than probably the last video I did out here. A lot of the grass wasn't grown in. Most of it is finished up now and all grown in. There's still some thin spots, but overall it's looking real good. So you can see the Southern Oaks Bridge under construction. That's the multimodal bridge. And this Southern Oaks golf course is the same on both sides of the road here. It's got 3 3s, 3 4s, and 3 par 5s, equal on each side, the front 9 and the back 9. This is actually facing to the east Florida Turnpike, which is quite a big deal lately. If you haven't heard, they are expanding that out. They're adding 2 lanes, 1 to 2 lanes on each side, and a lot of people are not happy about that. There was over 200 people that complained at one of the meetings to the developer, and they were told to check out what the state of Florida can do for them. Alright, so we're going into the area of Newell. They have started paving this. As you can see, the road that leads in here, along with the golf cart trail that goes alongside it. And they're starting to put some walls up out here, which I did not see last time I was in this area. They do have some of the lots mapped out. Last time I flew this area, I said there wasn't a lot going on. They were just pushing around dirt. And I was called out for having an untrained eye, so. Now that I have trained eyes, I can really see what's going on, and you can see also with this closer look as we dive in. In all seriousness, obviously I know there are things going on before they put the roads and the houses and the walls and all that stuff in. They're moving the clay around to direct the water to certain areas. They pump the water to different areas. They're putting pipes in and the infrastructure under the ground. I get it. Anyways, back to this. So Newell is now under construction. You can see they're kind of mapping out where everything's going to be. This is kind of exciting because this road, Megason, will go all the way up to 470 or Central Parkway. It's actually renamed Central Parkway, which reaches all the way into Leesburg and through Dabney and Lake Denham, which are the two other areas that are going in over here on the side. This whole area runs right along the turnpike, just on the north side of the turnpike. And on the south side there, you can actually see Eastport, which we will take a look at later. So just like the Sawgrass Grove area, this was at night, so, or not at night, but you get the idea, during golden hour. So you get some pretty good views up until it gets cloudy. And you can see the home sites here being marked out and the walls going in. Next thing they'll do is they will pave these areas, and then you will start to see some foundations going in. With DeLuna almost being complete or nearing complete, other than the designer homes, I would suspect they'll be starting on this within the next couple months, probably by the end of August, if not the beginning of September. And you can see where many of the lots are going to be going. I haven't really looked at a map of this area in quite some time, but the Case and Hammock and Citrus Grove areas bumping up next to it. This is a great area because you have Sawgrass Grove as well as the Azell Rec Center. There's going to be a pitch and putt out here, or a putting course in this area. You can see a couple of the preserves that they have through this area as well. I don't typically jump around like this in the videos, but I did want to show you this area from this direction before we head over the rec center over here, the small mail area with the pool. And this is the eastern side. You can see the Southern Oaks Bridge there in the background. Citrus Grove here, and then as we turn, you're going to see the Homestead Rec Center. Now Homestead Rec Center is interesting because you have the viewing areas where you can look at the stars at night. I believe they have a dog park over here as well, and of course you also have cornhole, pickleball. It's not like a gigantic rec center like the Azell Rec Center, but it is on the bigger side, and they have a couple more things there that you wouldn't typically see at one of the smaller mail places. So these are the stargazing pads here and the walkway that goes through the woods. It's a really nice area. You can see some people out there enjoying it as the sun's setting. You get some really great sunsets in this area, which are fantastic. We're about 45 minutes from the sunset right now. So it's kind of interesting when you're looking into the sun's direction and how that all kind of pans out there. And let's get you over to Eastport. I'm currently out here getting videos, and I had a lot of people ask me after I talked about the photos for your house for $29. I had a lot of people ask me if I could get videos of their house. So I'm actually out here getting videos now for people that want to get videos done. Of course I can get videos, drone videos. Again, just email me, papapineapples@gmail.com, and I'll make sure to get your videos for you. Welcome to Eastport. Eastport is the area south of the turnpike on the other side of the Southern Oaks Bridge, where the Southern Oaks Bridge will be. This is going to be the area where there are a ton of golf courses. You're going to see a couple championship golf courses, executive golf course, the medical center. This road here currently leads up to the bridge that they're working on. Now I suspect they probably won't be working too much on this until that bridge is complete. But the bridge is supposed to be complete in 2023, which, if you think about it, is only 5 months away. Or close to 5 months away at this point, because it's just about August of 22. And Eastport and Middleton will come together. Middleton is that family area. We've done a couple videos on that. You can see the Southern Oaks Bridge there in the background. This whole area is south of Hawkins and St. Catherine. So the turnpike and Highway 44 kind of run parallel to each other. I understand that the turnpike kind of goes south, a little more south than Highway 44 at this point, but and squished between the turnpike and 44 are Chitty Chatty, Bradford, St. Catherine, Hawkins, Citrus Grove, and Case and Hammock, at least in this area. So this is actually facing north. You can see all those villages that I was just talking about, all those areas right north of the turnpike. That is the Okahumpka Center right in the middle of the turnpike right there. That's the Okahumpka rest area off the turnpike. And like I said earlier in the video, they are going to be widening that. So that's going to be something that you want to think about when you move into this area. The noise doesn't typically bother me. I know a lot of people say that something different. I don't really see it. I guess I wouldn't see it, I would hear it, but you know what I mean. So this area, they're obviously working on, they're moving dirt in and out. They are testing the soil. You can see those circles. I believe that's what they do with the circles before they start doing anything. And then they start bringing in clay and that type of mixture to figure out which way the water is going to run. This used to be all farmland with cows, similar to the Fenny area. The Fenny area has a spring actually, and they do use some of this grass for sod as well. They'll cut strips out, roll them up, and take them to other areas. So now we're kind of turned toward the Coleman Prison, which is right at the top of your screen. You can't see it. I do that on purpose. And we are headed west. I will watch you. I'm not going to be watching you, but I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next one.